Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain about helium neon gas laser. So we seen about lasers, right? Laser is nothing but light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. So we have many methods to produce laser light, right? So we have many methods like solid state laser, gas laser, and liquid laser, and semiconductor laser. We have enormous method. So in gas laser we have two types of methods: helium neon laser and carbon dioxide laser. So in this class I am going to explain about helium neon gas laser. So before we enter into the topic, so we just learn about what are the basic requirements for laser action, right? So basic components of the basic components are active medium, then pumping source, then optical resonator. Okay, so these are all the three main components are required to produce the laser action, right? So first one is active medium. So active medium is nothing but where the population inversion will be takes place and the laser action will be takes place. So which is called as active medium, right? So second one is pumping source. So the pumping source is nothing but, so to be achieve population inversion, so we need pumping, right? So population inversion is nothing but, so achieve so in excited state it has more number of atoms compared to ground state. So to achieve population inversion we need pumping methods, right? So for the pumping method we need pumping source, right? So this is the second requirement for laser action, right? So third one is optical resonator. So optical resonator is nothing but the pair of two mirrors. One is fully reflecting mirror and another one is partially reflecting mirror. So these three components are required to produce the laser action, right? So in this class I am going to explain about helium neon gas laser, right? So this is the one of the type of gas laser. So look at here. So this is the helium neon laser. Helium neon laser is nothing but type of gas laser, right? So here the active medium is the mixture of helium and neon molecules in the ratio of 10 is 1 ratio. The helium and neon can be taken in the ratio of 10 is to 1 ratio. So this act as the active medium. So we know about active medium. So the where the laser action will be takes place. So in helium neon laser, the laser action is produced due to these gas molecules helium and neon. So these two will be the active medium, right? So active center is neon. So which molecule can be produce the laser action, that is called as active center. So here only helium ions only moving from excited state to the ground state, it will produce the laser action, right? So here neon atom will place a role in the produce the laser light, right? So that's why it's called as the active center, right? So next one is pumping method. So here we are using inelastic collision pumping method. So we have many pumping method, right? So optical pumping method, electrical discharge pumping method, and as well as inelastic collision pumping method. So in our laser types, in helium neon laser source, so we have used inelastic collision between these two atoms, right? So helium and neon. So in helium and neon it will create the inelastic collision so that it will produce the laser action, right? So here the pumping method is inelastic collision between these atoms, right? Then optical resonator. So we already discussed in basic parameters, right? So here optical resonator is nothing but the pair of two mirrors. Okay. So one is fully reflecting mirror, another one is partially reflecting mirror. So here we have used a pair of concave mirrors that is used as the optical resonator in this case, right? So here power output is 0.5 to 50 milliwatt output will be produced by using this method, right? So the next one is the nature of the output. So here in helium neon laser we will get the continuous waveform output, right? So next wavelength of output. Here so we get four type of wavelength of output. Okay, so 6328 Armstrong, so 6000 Armstrong, 3.39 micrometer and 1.15 micrometer. We will get four types of wavelengths will be produced by using helium neon laser, right? So these are all the basic requirements. So these are the basic actions, right? So look at this diagram. This will be the schematic diagram. diagram of the helium neon gas laser, right? So look at this diagram. So on the main construction will be the, so it has main 3 components. Okay, so basic components are active medium, pumping source and the optical resonator. Okay, so the working and the construction will be discussed in a later video. Thank you all.